Hey guys, it's Andrew here from Seemu and I'm excited to announce my new course, Break the Mold. Break the Mold is aimed at both professional and personal development. I have an exclusive sale on just to my subscribers for 1 week only, which is $14.99 US, and you can find that in the description below. For all the people who signed up to my pre-sale, I've also sent out exclusive links to you guys, which you can check in your email. So I'll leave you guys to a short preview of the course. Welcome to Break the Mold, where I will teach you how to break the mold on social media, networking, and jobs. Hi, I'm Andrew Seeley, and I've been working in consulting for the past 5 years, alongside running a YouTube channel teaching people how to make iOS apps and all about self-development. And I will be your instructor for this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to have an all-star LinkedIn profile, know how to build your resume, and have an edge on your competitors, have a killer social media network presence, craft your personal brand, and also understand the key factors to networking and how to leverage these. In addition, you will understand key industry tools such as design thinking and agile. This is all covered in 4 key pillars to achieve this: social media transformation, networking key factors, get that job, and after you have that job. The ideal student is someone who is new to industry or technical, looking to gain a competitive edge. This is because soft skills are hard, and a lack of soft skills and all this fluffy stuff can actually lead to huge opportunity loss in terms of salary gap or opportunities in the workplace, and even outside the workplace in your personal life. So you will become aware of the key tools that you can use to empower yourself, whether that be your 9-to-5 job or your side hustle. So don't delay, enroll today. Every second you're wasting is another potential wasted opportunity and another potential dollar loss. In addition, this course has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose at all. If you are not happy with it, you'll get a complete refund. So enroll today.